Hello again, this is Matt Coffman with AxellRacing Performance Engineering. Today we have a unique opportunity to show you 4 Porsche Cayennes. Here we start off with a 2006 Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. This happens to be one of my personal vehicles. Several months ago we did a full engine rebuild on it. This thing's running over 600 horsepower now. Here we have a 2008 Cayenne S V8. We just got this in, about to start an engine build on it today, tomorrow. Here we have a 2005 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. This one came into us with 2 cylinders that were completely non-functional. So we did a full engine build on this one. Started off with tearing the engine all the way down to the main block. So we polished the crank bearings, connecting rod bearings, new pistons, full build up from there. It's running great. And here's another 2006 Cayenne Turbo S. This one also had a cracked valve, so it got new valves, new springs, and is running as good as new. What I'm getting to here is that these are all great cars to rebuild. Questions have come up recently about doing engine swaps. The problem with doing an engine swap is that all you're doing is inheriting the problems of the existing engine. You haven't fixed anything. All of these are opportunities to rebuild the engine properly so it's going to last for years and years to come. All of these are great examples of what you can do out there. Everything from a basic Cayenne all the way up to a Turbo S. Again, these are great cars to build and a lot of fun to drive. If you have a Cayenne that you love and you want to keep your car on the road for years to come, I'd love to help you out. Give me a call.